welcome to Show Me Creeks. I'm Larry, and today I'm going to go meet my buddy Josh again, and we're going to take his boat and put it on that little lake, see if we can't get on some of them big bass. I seen he almost caught a 5-pound bass there last time we was there, so we're going to get back in there and see if we can't get a bunch of bass, hopefully a couple of big ones. The rivers and creeks are all flooded right now anyway, so. Oh yeah, this water is moving. It's only going to get worse. It's going to rain the next 2 days. Well, that little spot there was just completely flooded. The water was over the road and everything, going way too fast for me to cast in there. I'm just trying to get on some fish. Let's go. Yeah, I guess I casted so many times the past couple of days, my shoulder's sore.
I spent $130 on Bass Pro the other day. I got maybe 10 lures and some fishing lines.
Yeah.
I got a couple tackle, you know, the tackle trays or whatever. Which,
Yeah.
they're like $9 or something. And then they split it up into 3 different
Shipments.
Oh, that's good fish. That's good fish. I think. Yeah. Better fish.
Oh yeah.
That's definitely a lot better than we were catching the other day.
Yes, sir. That thing is stalky, you know. Nice.
I bet he's close to 3.
I mean, I got a scale if you want.
Scale?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Let's check it out. All right. 3-1.
One, right on the money.
Yep. Thing's got a thick jaw.
He's thick.
You know what I mean?
That's what I'm saying about them heavy rods.
Yeah.
Let's set them in. We'll take a picture.
You good with selfies, or you want me to take it?
I'm just gonna take a picture of the fish.
Oh, okay.
I'll take pictures of the fish with me until we get up to 5.
Yeah.
Because I just don't look right in my hand.
Yeah. I hear that.
If I had $5,000 the other day, I'd have bought another boat.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want something I can thrash around in the river.
Yeah.
In the big river.
All right. Well. Ow. Slow down, bud. Oh, yeah, nice. This guy's feisty here, I tell you.
It's crazy, it's a different color in them 2 fish.
Yeah.
That one's like brown.
Right. Yours is like a normal looking large, like a creek largemouth
Right.
to me. This is more like a lake largemouth. It's got a little blue looking area on it, like the other day. Yeah, we'll put them out on this side so they don't go back and tell them people or fish, you know. I would like to have it on video though. I mean,
Just so you know.
I was gonna say a lot of things.
I was just about to talk some shit because I was about, you know, the score is 4-1. So let you know. Oh, you got 2, don't you?
Now,
Okay. Oh.
right?
I thought you got 3.
Oh, I don't know.
Maybe 2. I don't know. I've done long.
There we go. Still smaller than his, even in my hands. You know? Yeah, that one, as soon as it hit the water, I thought I was hung up on something. Oh, missed it. There's I guess number 3, huh? For me. A little better. Not too bad though. You're right though, this side over here, they're more consistently big. What are they, like 2 years old or something, you think? Like, so next year that lake could be loaded with some that's this size, huh?
Like, that lake, sometimes it's 2-pounders all day for me out of that lake. It all
Yeah,
depends.
well, I mean, creeks are actually like that too,
Yeah,
so.
I've already hit that lake twice this year, you know?
Yeah.
And they're like, well, we ain't falling for the shit no more.
Yeah.
First time out on this one, so.
Now you're like, well, I gotta wait till spawn.
Right, and I've hammered them on the spinnerbait down there.
Yeah.
I don't even hardly eat it anymore, so I gotta take on this one.
Yeah, they done caught on to that one.
I caught a fish on a jig this week.
Really?
Yeah, gotta knock that one out and then put it back down.
Buddy, I tell you what, yeah, this pole will yank them right out, won't it? Hey, set the hook first, ask questions later. I learned that the other day.
Got a film over here.
Yeah. Here. You see it? Yeah. Yeah.
Say fire another one.
On the spinner?
Yeah. So long since I caught a fish.
Yeah. We ain't even made it around the lake yet.
Finally. Yeah.
That's not too bad. Probably your smallest one of the day.
He fought pretty good though.
Yeah.
Stretch your legs out a little bit.
Yeah, that definitely helped. I tell you what, my back was tighter than hell the other day. But again, I sat in a kayak for 9 hours the day before that.
River was rough, buddy.
There were sections, you know. It's fun though.
Yeah.
Damn.
Oh, I don't know what I got here.
Did you have one? I thought I had one too.
I was jerking the weeds off my spinnerbait, and he hit it.
Yeah.
Well, he just give up.
Yeah, he did.
That's a good thing.
Yeah. Good pound anyway.
He wasn't coming off of that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, that wind's cutting through these pants and stuff now, though.
Put sweats on, you know, I'm like, that'd be good. I got shorts on underneath there, like, just peel them off, you know, when it gets hot.
Yeah.
60. There you go. You
I changed that crankbait up, huh? No, that'd be funny. Yeah, I like it. Yeah.
Two for $10.
Well, I mean, they obviously work. There's a little one. Yeah, I like this color. It reminds me of a creek chub. Hell, even a little field mouse. You know. Got it. That's pretty decent.
On the boat. Well, he's fat.
Yeah, he is. Yeah. Nice one. Here, now get this one. Got it? Nice. Ah. That was close. Well, let's hope that this is the time here.
I done lost count now. I'm not even. Alright, I'm feeling guilty. I'm giving this point to you.
Give him what?
Giving you this whole point. I'm feeling a little guilty.
Oh, you're good. Go for it.
No. Nope.
I mean, I had that whole one down there and didn't even get a bite. So I did cast over here a couple of times when we was coming in, though.
He was right on the side of that little bush thing out there.
Whoa. I was going to say, man, they just hang out, and then he starts flopping around. Little dude.
Well, that's first cast. Did I get something? Are you kidding me?
Did you?
I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't look too bad. I mean, but that flash always gets me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. I think we made up.
Yeah.
Well, they're just barely.
That's a good.
At it.
Yeah. That's most of mine, too. But, I mean, at least you get the hook out easy.
Yeah. Ooh, no.
That's a good one.
They always want to curl up when you're taking a picture.
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
Like, no. Look how short I am.
Yeah. Got him, huh?
I hit that hard. Watch him be a 5-pounder.
All right. That's funny. Smallest one.
Got him in the skull.
Yeah.
Scolding. And look, he just ran into that thing.
Probably trying to get away from it. You know, he's like, what is that?
That walker of the day.
Yeah. Here's the bait we're using. Yeah. Okay. Whew. As soon as it hit the water, I seen that brown line.
Yeah, that thing is almost invisible.
Another one right at the end.
Right.
Yep, curling that tail up. What a difference no wind makes, though, on your hands.
Yeah,
Just the warmth.
this ain't bad at all.
You know, yeah.
The fish ain't biting over here.
Yeah, that's true.
That's the city part.
It's like I was fine with the cold hands if they're biting. That's not bad, though.
Oh, these are a lot better fish.
Yeah.
We were catching on Dinkfest over there the other day.
Yeah, it's still fun, though.
Brown too.
Yeah. Wow, he got the front hook finally. Yeah. There you go. See you, buddy. That was quick. I thought I was hung up in grass, to be honest. Yeah, he was.
Well, that was quick too. I'm really downsizing here.
I mean, yeah. You started out, it could have ate that for sure. Yeah, right? Well, he got both of them there.
Boomerang right through.
Yeah.
Fatty.
Yeah.
Sharp too. Doubled up again.
All right. Make sure this thing's on. Yeah.
Stick. I think you got me.
Whoa.
Oh, you got me.
That time. Here, let me put it like that.
You got
There
me.
we go. Looks good though. Toss them back.
It's gonna be hard to leave this lake. I
I
don't know if I can.
know, right? Yeah, another thick one. Good one.
Not bad. Good stuff. Let's do that. Oh yeah, good size.
Yeah, that's a 2.5 at least. Another good one. Yeah.
I'll take them.
Right? Especially like, how many square bills do you guys want to throw at us today? This is your third round.
We're throwing all of them at you.
Yeah.
We're making sure to pick up every fish.
Yeah. That little bank just drops off over there, don't it? Let's say. I don't ever pull nothing back from it.
How big are you? Because you're acting big, but you're not. Good size.
Yeah. On the red one, huh? I thought about switching back to that. I got a lot more this morning on it.
Alright, knock it off. Enough of that. You're the one who got all these hooks in your nut meat.
Yeah.
You got everything thin and everything. That's a pretty one, ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, dark.
Yep. Well, that's going to do it for this one. We left kind of early because my back's killing me. But I'm going to get on out of here, get home, do some planning, try to find some smallmouth, and go get on them. We'll see you on the next one.